Hi, it's Matthew Dixon of MindAid.ca. One of my role models is Scott Harrison of CharityWater.org. Scott is in his mid 40s. He's helped 12 million people, I believe that's the number now, get clean drinking water in developing countries. And he started that at the age of 30. He was a nightclub promoter in his 20s and he knew nothing about charity. And he went to Africa, saw horrible things, and decided to help out with clean water because clean water affects so many other areas of a person's life. And he's been such an inspiration for me, such an inspiration. And he's got a lot of interviews on the internet that he's done with people, usually about an hour long or so. I've watched many of them, and he just keeps me on track. It's he I'm trying to do something similar with mental illness in developing countries. I have schizophrenia. I'm doing well now. I'm just getting back up on my feet after 27 years of, of torment. And I'm 49 now, and right today, I don't have the strength to start my own nonprofit. I don't have that. I don't have the courage the mental strength to lead a group of people in an office like setting. Maybe someday I'll be able to do that. I keep improving day by day and week by week and month by month, and it's nice to see me being able to take on more. I have to pace myself and not take on too much, but I'm trying to take on more step by step. And maybe at some point in the future, I will be running a nonprofit to help people with mental illness in developing countries. Maybe I will. I haven't ruled that out. And in the meantime, though, I know there are so many people out there who have that capability, but they don't know about mental illness in developing countries. They don't know that it's not spelled out for them. It's not such mainstream conversation. But I know if they knew about it, they'd want to help. And I'm trying to reach those people. And I want to go on TV soon. I took a Get on TV boot camp back in the fall of 2020, and by two TV celebrities, Jen Gottlieb and Chris Winfield, and it really boosted my confidence to go on TV. They taught you that it's not as hard as you think to get on TV, and they give you lots of tips on how to do that. They say so many TV stations out there are looking for content, and if you've got a message, you could be their next spot on their station. So I'm waiting until I have the courage to do that. Like I said, I'm increasing my confidence day by day, and at some point here, I would like to get on TV. I'm not quite there yet, but I keep growing all the time. So Scott Harrison, he's been a huge inspiration for me, and I'm hoping that maybe someday I could say the same thing as him. Maybe 10, 15 years from now, I'll say, I've raised millions of dollars for the cause. Scott's raised $300 million so far or more over the last decade and a half, and maybe I could say something similar. Maybe I could. Maybe I can do this. I really hope I can. I'm trying. I have to look after my disease. I'm not. I manage my disease right now. You could say it's in remission. I don't know if that's the right word for this, like cancer, but I feel like it's in remission. But I'm not cured. I have to take my medication, and I have to try to live a healthy lifestyle until one day they may find a cure. Maybe they will. You never, ever know. Until then, I need to watch how much I take on stress wise. And I've started this website, mindaid.ca, and I've got on social media. I'm taking small steps. So far, so good. I'm having fun doing it, and I'd like to keep doing it for much, much longer if my health and stress levels allow. So, anyway, Scott, thank you. Thank you so much for what you're doing. You don't know how much you've inspired me and keep me on track too. When I start to get a bit down on because I'm not having as big as an impact as I'd like, I watch your videos and you just keep me back on tracks. And I get from watching your videos, I get the feeling, Matthew, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Don't give up. Don't give up.